If you have ever activated chat lock on your WhatsApp and it's still showing on top of your WhatsApp, that means you are still learning work. You still learn work, okay? Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make that chat lock to disappear on top of your WhatsApp. Now, for those of you that don't know what chat lock is a WhatsApp new feature that will enable you to hide some specific chats. You can decide to hide one or two people's chats so that nobody can be able, even somebody enters your WhatsApp, nobody can be able to see that chat. That chat will be hidden. Now, to activate that chat lock, before I show you how you can hide chat lock on top of your WhatsApp, let me just first of all show you guys how you can activate chat lock in case if you don't have chat lock, okay? Let's first of all go to WhatsApp, okay? You can do this on WhatsApp, you can do this on WhatsApp Business. Now, let's assume I want to log this C1127. Now, hold this down for some seconds and it's selected. Come over here, top right corner, these three dots, click on it. Once you click on it, come over and click on lock chat. Once you click on lock chat, it will now tell you to keep the chat locked and hidden. Now, once you click on continue, it will tell you to put your fingerprint or your passcode. I'm using fingerprint, and I'll continue. And you see, once you put your fingerprint, that chat is locked, okay? Now, on top of here, you can see locked chat has appeared here. So this is what I'm saying. If yours is still showing locked chat, that means you still learn work, okay? Now, if you want to open this, or if you want to read this person's message, if this person sends you a message and if you want to read it, what you need to do is click on this lock chat and your phone is going to ask you for fingerprint. Put your fingerprint and it's going to open this particular chat. And now open and chat the person. When you're done, if you go out again, the chat will now go back to locked, okay? If you want to open it again, you have to put your fingerprint. Now, what I'm saying is this lock chat is not meant to be on top of your WhatsApp. Now, if I see the lock chat on your WhatsApp, I will know that there are some WhatsApp communication with some people that you locked that you don't want anybody to see. Now, I'm going to show you how you can make this to completely disappear from on top of your WhatsApp. Now, what you need to do for this lock chat to disappear on top of here, which is what I'm about to show you in this video, is for you to click on that lock chat. Once you click on it, it will ask you for your fingerprint or your passcode. Put your fingerprint and open it. Once you open it, all you need to do is go to the top right corner here, these three dots, click on it and go to chat lock setting. Now, chat lock setting, you can see hide chat lock. Now, click here, and once you click here, hide chat lock with the secret code for more privacy, okay? Now, what you need to do is click on create secret code, okay? Now, assuming my secret code is, let's assume 1234. Okay, click next. You have to input it again, 1234. Okay, now once you click done, okay, and go back to your WhatsApp, that is going to disappear. The chat lock is no longer be there. So you guys can see that there's no chat lock on top of this WhatsApp because I have put a secret code. So even if somebody sees your WhatsApp, the person is not going to see any chat lock to know if you've hidden some of your communication with some few people. So for you to bring out the chat lock, the hidden messages, the chat lock, okay, the messages that you've hidden or the people's messages that you've hidden in chat lock, all you need to do is come to the search area here and type the code that you used in locking that chat lock. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, once I click that 4, you can see that chat lock is out. Click on the chat lock and the message has opened. So this is exactly how you can hide your chat lock on top of your WhatsApp. So make sure you follow for more tips like this.